Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to add music to your account. Alright, this is very simple if you are doing the following steps. Alright, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook profile, and after that tap right in the bottom on menu. Then from here tap on the wheel right in the top, and then from there scroll down to profile details. Then scroll down again and then go to music, and from there tap on add music. Now we tap on the plus icon right in the top, and from here I want to add a number from Drake, like something like God's Plan. Tap on God's Plan, do cancel, then do the cross, and from here people will hear God's Plan from Drake when they are visiting my Facebook page or account. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.